In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily and weekly planner in ClickUp. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just someone looking to organize their week a bit better, this guide will help you set up a planner that suits your needs. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to the Getting Started guide in ClickUp. This guide serves as a great launching point for both new and experienced users, providing a full overview of how to get going with your planner. ClickUp is a versatile tool, and starting here will ensure you leverage all its features effectively. Once you're in, look for a plus icon on the navigation bar. Clicking this will open up a world of new possibilities within ClickUp. The plus icon is your gateway to adding tasks, lists, and even creating entire projects, making it a crucial tool for organizing your planner. Next, after clicking the plus icon, you'll want to select the Templates option. Templates in ClickUp are an invaluable resource. They come predefined with structures and features that can save you a significant amount of setup time. Think of it like having a pre-built framework that you can customize according to your scheduling needs. Now, with the Templates window open, use the search function to look for Weekly Planner. ClickUp's search tool is straightforward and efficient, ensuring you find the exact template you need without unnecessary scrolling or confusion. By typing in Weekly Planner, you'll be able to pinpoint exactly the kind of planner template suited to your routine. After identifying the template that fits your needs, there will be an option marked Use Template. Clicking this will initiate the application of the template to your workspace. This step is all about integrating that planner structure into your daily ClickUp interface, making sure your tasks and schedules are clearly laid out. Once again, select the Use Template option that pops up. This final step cements the template into your workspace. From here, you're free to customize it further, adding specific tasks or altering task frequencies to better fit your personal or professional schedule. Perhaps you'd like to schedule a daily meeting, or maybe a weekly review. Whatever your needs, this customization process will help bring your unique planning vision to life. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to create your own daily and weekly planner in ClickUp. By opening up the Getting Started guide, adding new elements through the plus icon, exploring the templates, searching for the right weekly planner template, and then applying and using it in your workspace, you've set a solid foundation for better organization. Don't forget, ClickUp is all about maximizing efficiency and effectiveness, so use all these features to ensure you are at your top productivity level every week.